It's okay if you have not completed all of them, even though if you just do maybe one or maybe two, you can send them to me, okay? Because we're going to check on that together anyways. Okay, now let's take a look. Let's see, Yaimai, Roxana, LaShawn, Shalimar. Okay, LaShawn, thank you so much. Shogun and Valentine, how are you How are you doing? Okay, private chat, did you submit maybe in the previous class? Can I see the answers as well, please? All right, so let's take a look as a PLC. Okay, now make sure to also share the answer. We have now it is started now, yeah? So you can share the answer here. We can do that next time. So let's take a look at question here. For mild, we are looking for X. So for this one here, we need to remember what are their properties. Here we have a parallelogram, everyone. So the first thing that we can find here is we have one angle that is given to us, so which is 112. So we can use that angle here, and that is a vertically opposite angle. Okay, and because we already have these angles, we can apply the properties of a parallelogram, everyone. So I do hope that everyone knows the properties of parallelogram, which is the angle that is at the diagonal opposite is equal. All right. So that means x is equals to 112. X equals to 112. So you can say that this is the properties is opposite angles in parallelogram. There you go. Okay, even if you mention parallelogram as well, or the properties of parallelogram, that is still okay. Next, we have a rectangle. Now, we need to look for x, but what we know about a rectangle is that these lines here, they have same length. All right. Now, with that in mind, I would like to draw this triangle here. Now, I hope that everyone can see that it creates an isosceles triangle. So that means x is equals to 62 degrees. All right. And you can write isosceles triangle. Okay, and lastly, we have a trapezium. For trapezium here, it can actually be of any length, yeah? It can have different lengths even. But one thing that we know is that we have two similar angle, equal angle, 110. So that means the angle at the bottom here should also be equal. Okay, so that means for this one here, we can find this with 360 equals to 110 plus 110 plus 2x. Okay, and for this one, this is the angle sum of quadrilateral. So that means now we can find 2x equals to 140, x equals to 70. Private chat, please double check this answer, okay? There you go. Angle sum of quadrilateral. That is what we use. Right, so let's take a look at our learning objective here, everyone. Learning objective is calculating unknown angles using appropriate angle properties. Even if you see it from the learning objective, it included angle properties. So that means everyone need to work with remembering to always include your properties. Okay, very good. Make sure to vote, everyone. Yes, private chat. The last slide, I'll show it right after this, okay? I'm waiting for everyone. Those who have not voted yet, can I please have your votes? So far, I'm glad to see that everyone is feeling more confident with angles now. Quickly, I will show the previous slide here. Okay, private chat. Let me know if you're done. Okay, no worries. Thank you so much for letting me know. So everyone, since we worked with um, basic angles, we worked with angles in a triangle and a quadrilateral. That means for today, we will start to look at polygons. Okay, so we will update your notes, everyone. Make sure to have your notes out. So a polygon is a plane shape with three or more straight sides. Triangles are polygons with three sides, and quadrilateral are polygons with four sides. Other polygons can also be named according to the number of sides they have. So make sure, oh, private chat cannot see the slide. Okay, private chat, I'll check it here, okay? Give me a second, everyone. Okay, how about now? Can you see the slide, private chat? Okay, wonderful. Thank you, private chat. So, what we were going through just now is to learn the name of the polygon. So, this is up to you if you'd like to create a note out of this. Maybe you'd like to draw it as well. So, we have pentagon. This is five-sided polygon. We have hexagon, which has six. We have heptagon, seven sides. We have octagon as well, nonagon, and decagon. Okay, so there are two types of polygons. One that we call regular polygons and irregular polygons. Regular polygons is when you have all sides of equal length. That means all of the sides, they have equal length and therefore equal angle as well. So, why is polygons important in angles? Because everyone, we need to always know what is the angle sum of a polygon. And polygons, we know that there are many types, right? So that means each polygon have different angle sum. So first thing that we need to know is that we can find the angle sum of any polygon by splitting it into triangles. Now, we actually have learned this method in your NS3, I believe. So you must be already familiar with what we will be working with. And once you split your polygon into triangles, all you need to know is to remember that angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees.